Cultural identity shapes how I see the world, learn, and connect with others. It influences how I will approach teaching and how I understand students' backgrounds as strengths in the classroom. My cultural background has shaped my values, communication style, and respect for tradition. Having both experiences with both Polish and Spanish influences has helped me relate to others with different backgrounds and how I will build relationships with my students. Traditions taught me the importance of connection, respect, and shared experiences, which I plan to bring into my classroom culture. My Catholic faith shapes my belief in treating all people with dignity and love. It influences how I view teaching as a service to others and a calling and not just a job. The idea of Imago Dei means every student has inherent worth. This belief supports inclusion and respect for all learners regardless of their background. Cultural identity shapes worldview. As a teacher, I must recognize that students interpret learning through different cultural lenses. Culturally responsive teaching values students' backgrounds and integrates them into instruction to improve engagement and learning outcomes. Strong relationships are essential. Knowing students personally helps create trust and a safe learning environment for all. Equality gives everyone the same resources. Equity gives students what they need to succeed. Equity ensures fairness in education, meaning some students need extra help, visuals, or just more time. It is important to remember that all students learn differently, so instruction must be flexible and supportive to meet the student's individual needs. Christian principles of love encourage patience, kindness, and care for every student, especially those who may have struggles. Respect means valuing differences without judgment and creating and celebrating space for all cultures in the classroom. Students should be comfortable and encouraged to share their perspectives and experiences to enrich the classroom learning. Lessons can include diverse texts, incorporating and celebrating diverse holidays, multicultural lessons, rewrite historical events from multiple viewpoints, and discuss how culture shapes interpretation of events, using what might this look like in another country prompts. Having group collaborations, class discussions, reflection journals, and presentations help students learn from each other and appreciate different viewpoints. Racism negatively impacts learning. Educators must actively challenge biases and promote fairness, and recognize how biases can appear in teaching. A safe classroom allows students to express themselves without fear of judgment, so it is important to learn and use students' names correctly and show genuine care for students as individuals and also listen without judgment. A Christian worldview encourages compassion, justice, and dignity for all students, which supports inclusive education. I am continuously learning about different cultures, identity, and teaching strategies to improve as an educator. My goal is to create a classroom where every student feels valued, seen, heard, supported, and capable of success.